Did you know that a whopping 76.7 million metric tons of eggs were produced worldwide in 2019? Quite the figure, isn't it? This humble food item, the egg, is a universal staple, celebrated and consumed across the globe. From the perfect breakfast poach to the secret ingredient in your favorite bakery's most decadent cake, eggs are incredibly versatile in the culinary world. Now let's consider this. On average, a person might consume around 276 eggs in a year. That's nearly an egg a day. And it's not just about the numbers. Eggs are a cultural phenomenon too, starring in traditional dishes from every corner of the globe. But as we crack open the shell of this ubiquitous food item, a question arises. With such a high consumption rate, it's crucial to understand what exactly we're putting into our bodies when we eat eggs. So let's delve deeper into the incredible, edible egg. Eggs are known as a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with a multitude of vitamins and minerals. And it's not just an old wives' tale. Science backs it up. When we break down what's inside this shell, we find a wealth of health benefits that can be reaped from regular egg consumption. Its high protein content, for instance, is not to be underestimated. Each egg hosts about 6 grams of this vital nutrient, making it an excellent source of fuel for your body. Protein builds and repairs tissues, makes enzymes and hormones, and is essential for bones, muscles, cartilage, skin, and blood. But that's not all. Eggs also contain all 9 essential amino acids. These are the building blocks of protein that our bodies can't produce on their own. They help in muscle recovery, boost immunity, and even enhance mood and sleep. Diving deeper into the egg's nutritional profile, we find a range of vitamins. Riboflavin, or vitamin B2, works to break down food for energy. Vitamin B12 aids in the formation of red blood cells and supports brain function. Vitamins A and E are antioxidants that protect our cells from damage. Eggs are also a source of good cholesterol, commonly known as HDL cholesterol. Despite the bad rep that cholesterol often gets, it's essential for our bodies. It helps produce hormones, vitamin D, and substances that aid in food digestion. Now you might be wondering about the cholesterol found in eggs. It's true that eggs are high in dietary cholesterol, but it's a common misconception that this raises our blood cholesterol levels. In fact, the majority of people can eat eggs without seeing a significant change in their cholesterol levels. To sweeten the deal, eggs are also a source of 2 potent antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, which are essential for eye health. They help protect against macular degeneration and cataracts, 2 of the most common causes of vision loss in older adults. Clearly, eggs are a nutritionally dense food, but what happens when you eat them every day? Stay tuned as we crack open the truth in our next segment. While eggs are undeniably nutritious, they also come with certain health risks if consumed excessively. Let's peel back the shell and discuss some of these potential risks. Firstly, the cholesterol content of eggs has been a topic of debate for years. Each egg yolk contains around 200 milligrams of cholesterol, which is close to the daily limit suggested by the American Heart Association for people at risk of heart disease. If you have certain health conditions such as diabetes or high levels of LDL cholesterol, overconsumption of eggs can potentially increase your risk of heart disease. However, it's important to remember that dietary cholesterol from eggs does not affect everyone in the same way. Some people may experience a significant increase in blood cholesterol levels after consuming eggs, while others might not see any noticeable difference. This is due to individual differences in how our bodies process cholesterol. Secondly, like any other food, eggs can cause allergic reactions in some individuals. Symptoms can range from mild, such as hives or nasal inflammation, to severe, such as anaphylaxis. If you suspect you have an egg allergy, it's crucial to seek medical advice before including eggs in your diet. Lastly, let's talk about the risk of salmonella. Salmonella is a type of bacteria that can cause food poisoning. It's often associated with eggs because the bacteria can be present either on the eggshell or inside the egg if the hen was infected. To minimize the risk of salmonella, ensure your eggs are properly cooked and avoid consuming raw or undercooked eggs. In conclusion, while eggs are packed with beneficial nutrients, they also carry potential risks, particularly when consumed in excess. It's essential to consider these risks and your personal health circumstances when deciding how many eggs to include in your daily diet. As with everything in life, moderation is key. Now, let's address the question, should you eat eggs every day? So, should you start or end your day with an egg? The answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. Like many aspects of nutrition, whether you should incorporate an egg into your daily diet depends largely on your personal health situation. Let's crack open this conundrum, shall we? For those in the pink of health, an egg a day can certainly be part of a balanced diet. Eggs are, after all, a powerhouse of nutrition packed with high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. They can offer a satiating start to the day, keeping you full and energized until your next meal. But here's the yoke of the matter. For individuals with certain health conditions, the daily consumption of eggs might need to be approached with caution. For example, if you have been diagnosed with high cholesterol or heart disease, you may need to limit your egg intake, particularly the yolks, which contain the bulk of the egg's cholesterol content. Perhaps you're dealing with diabetes. Some studies suggest that eating eggs might increase the risk of heart disease in people with this condition. However, other research indicates that eggs can have positive effects on blood sugar levels and weight management. It's a complex puzzle, isn't it? That's why it's so important to remember that every individual is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional about your diet. So, before you make any drastic changes to your eating habits, have a chat with your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can help you make informed decisions based on your specific health needs. So there you have it, the truth behind eating eggs daily. It's a mixed basket, just like eggs themselves. We've peeled back the layers on the incredible health benefits of eggs, and also cracked open the potential risks of consuming them daily. It's not a simple yes or no, but a matter of balance and understanding your own body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Stay informed and eat healthy.